Today we're making another double tote bag. This one have added volume to it. The sides are sewn like paperback creases. This will make a great grocery bag. It's like carrying one bag, but you actually have two full-size compartments for your things. I also installed a zipper pocket for easy access to your phone and cash. And of course, key straps. They are an important feature. In this tutorial, I will show you how to sew the side creases just like a paper bag, and also line the bag and finish the bag's opening with facing. You just need 1 meter each of the main fabric and lining. My fabric combo is a medium weight cotton for the main fabric and ripstop for the lining. The patterns are mostly rectangles, and here I'm showing you how to lay out the pattern pieces. If you do it this way, it will be easier to cut, and also it will minimize the fabric waste. So I will add this illustration to my blog or maybe my coffee page for your reference. Here we take the wider piece and iron the sides into the correct side of the fabric. We are creating the sides of the bag. I'm going to sew the lining together with the main fabric. This will create the center crease on the bag's side. I zigzagged the inside pieces together. This prevents the lining from shifting and makes it easier to work with. Now we sew the wider piece combo with the inside piece combo together. The wrong side should be facing outwards here. We will use the binding to cover up the raw edges. I'm just going to pin the opening together and iron down the sides to crease it. Now we will do a bit of fitting. Because the body piece lost some width when we sewed the creases, we will make the adjustments on the wider piece. So here I figure I will need to cut off about 1 centimeter to make it fit like perfectly. Now with the nice side of the strap facing downwards, we will pin it onto the bag. I measure 7 centimeters from the center and have the strap end sticking out about 4 centimeters. So this area will be folded back into the bag, and we can sew over this area to make the strap more sturdy. Now we will insert the facing. The facing will have the seams on the outside. The body piece is turned to the correct side. Now we iron the facing into the bag and also fold it in half to create the border on the bag's opening. So this will wrap over the strap's ends. So if it's too long, you can trim off the straps in this area so that you can wrap it around it. Pin the key straps in place and sew around the bag's opening. I like to do this on the correct side because the stitches look nicer. With my machine, it's just like that. Now we center the zipper to the bag's opening. This is the opening without the handles on them. We will draw out the pocket and use that as a guide. So my pocket step is about 16 centimeters deep. Now flip the bag and sew the bottom of the bag. I did 2 lines of stitches for the bottom for added reinforcement. The zipper is actually quite easy to install. Since the bag's opening is already finished, we just slide the zipper under the opening and sew it in place. We use the center points on the zipper and the bag's opening to match the position. Over here, just pin the opening on top of the zipper and sew across. For the zipper's end, you can fold it downwards and pin it in place. When we sew the pocket, the ends will be hidden inside the pocket. So this is how to sew a double tote bag with added depth and a zipper pocket. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and see you next time. Bye bye.